I've got the OnePlus 15, and let me show you how to change your privacy password. So go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to security and privacy, tap on that, and then scroll down until you get to private safe, tap on that, and then it's going to ask for your privacy password. So once you enter that privacy password, it opens up the private safe, and then you can now tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings, and then go to privacy password, and then now you can change your privacy password. So enter that. Once you enter your current privacy password, you'll have the option to change. So tap on that, and then again, it's going to ask you to verify your old privacy password. Once you verify, now you can set up a new privacy password. And now you can choose to either change to digits, or you can come here and go back to pattern. So I'm going to select pattern again, and then now I can now change to a different pattern, and then draw that pattern again to confirm, and that's it. Now that's my new privacy password. So now if I try to go to privacy settings and I put in my old password, it's going to get rejected. Only the new one works. Thanks for watching, and good luck.